These are the elevators at Seminole Hard Rock, Orient Road Garage in Tampa, Florida. Let's go to 1. These ones are Kone's. Brakes are pretty loud. Let's go to 5. Let's go back down to 1. Actually, let's stop it. It says casino. So, as expected, there's a bridge that goes over to the casino. Let's make history in an elevator. I like that. And let's send this one up and get the other one. So these elevators, as you can see, are placed a little further away from the casino than the other set, which were my last upload. Since these elevators are pretty much identical, we're just gonna ride this one up to 5. Let's take a ride you can't forget. We are going to get a cab view though over here. 4,000 pound capacity. Not sure if you can see that, it is kind of dark. And there it goes. And that'll be it.